In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude on Google Sheets. To begin, it's important to clarify what this setup actually looks like. In this case, you're not installing Claude directly inside Google Sheets as a traditional add-on. Instead, you're using Claude together with your Google Drive so it can access and work with your spreadsheet files. This is possible if your Claude account supports Google Workspace connectors. Start by going to Google Sheets and making sure the spreadsheet you want to use is saved in your Google Drive. This matters because Claude will be connecting through Drive in order to locate and read your sheet. If your file is already there, you're ready to move on. Next, open Claude in your browser. Once you're inside Claude, look for a prompt asking you to connect your Google Drive account. If that prompt appears, go ahead and complete the connection. This step allows Claude to securely access files from your Google Workspace. If you don't see the prompt right away, that usually just means the option may appear when you try to attach a file. After your Google Drive is connected, click the plus button inside Claude. This is the option used to add files or external sources to your conversation. From the menu that appears, choose Drive. That tells Claude you want to pull in a file directly from your Google Drive instead of uploading something manually from your computer. Once Drive opens, search for or select the Google Sheets file you want to work with. If you have a lot of files in your Drive, using the search bar can make this much faster. Be sure to choose the correct spreadsheet so Claude is analyzing the right data. After the file is selected, you can start interacting with it through Claude. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize the spreadsheet, analyze the information, identify trends, or answer specific questions about the contents. This is especially useful if you're working with large data sets and want quick insights without reviewing every row manually. If this feature doesn't appear in your Claude account, the most likely reason is that your current plan or workspace access doesn't yet support Google Workspace connectors. In that case, you may need to check availability in your account settings or wait until the feature is enabled. And that's it. Once Google Drive is connected and your sheet is selected, you can use Claude to help you understand and work with your Google Sheets data much more efficiently.